Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's update our view on the gold market. So here is actually everything's going with the plan that we discussed yesterday. Entry point has worked nice. So now I think that we could protect our positions with the break-even stop and see what will happen. Besides, today's Friday. Maybe some traders will decide to hold it for the weekend. I'm in position. So it definitely has to be protected because currently such a time where lots of big events happens on the weekends. In general, as we discussed in today's Forex video, all markets are forming kind of the reversal attempts right now. We see it on the Forex market, on the dollar index, gold market as well. Gold has started slightly earlier, so it has a bit more progress in this performance. And in general, on the gold market, traders are discussing only two major patterns currently. So first one is the same that we have discussed on intraday charts, and that's our first step, let's call it, with this possible plan. Second is correspondingly larger big hand shoulders on the daily chart. Yes, of course, this is yet to happen and maybe will not happen at all. We will see, but that's potentially the second pattern that traders are watching, so because it could trigger the moderate retracement. Those who are watching our fundamental reports know that we talked about the overall structure of the gold performance through the crises, and as it was in 2008, usually gold shows deep retracement on a weekly chart, on a daily chart, the retracement at least of the 30% on the major upward swings in the moments when investors start selling stocks because they need cash, they need resources to plug the holes in the balance sheet, to fulfill the margin obligations. They need cash, and in these moments usually all other assets stand under pressure. It's falling under the sell-off. It's gold not an exception. This is purely technical moments, but it as a rule happens when the stock market starts collapsing. It could go this way, be different, but this definitely will happen because it's just how markets work. So, and these hand and shoulders might become the starting point of this process. We will see, but this is definitely the pattern that we need to keep an eye on. Right now, speaking about our short-term setup on the 4-day frame chart, this is the potential targets that we have discussed recently on these hand shoulders as 26.92, 26.60. So these two extensions based on the pattern. On the hourly chart, you could see what has happened on the top. 27.40 is done well. We even have got minor reversal candle here, you can see. And since then, we have the downward action. Of course, I would prefer a bit faster downside action, something like this one, because this is bearish pattern. This is the part of the pattern that totally should be controlled by the bears. And this slow downside action, it's a bit not really good stuff. So it's not something really wrong with it, but I would just prefer the faster action. But anyway, since our position stands with protected already, we are not cared too much on what will happen here. With this so outstanding pace on the daily chart and our prediction that's last for a very long term, of course, we should keep in mind that this pattern also could fail. So, for instance, market will jump above the zero and return back to the 27.45, 27.50. Definitely would mean that we are getting butterfly instead, because as you know, and I'm talking about this every time, that on the ruins of the hand shoulders, in the 99% you could get the butterfly. So if it will happen, then you just comfortably and with the confidence could suggest possible butterfly and extension of this top and the kind of this left wing, right wing, and so on, if we will see the jump above it. So this is also the thing that we need to keep in mind. All other stuff actually stands the same, so let's keep watching on our trading setup how it will progress and see what will happen on next week.